Hello everyone, my name is Pakiza and I am thrilled to share my Parliament journey with you. I joined Parliament in November 2024, around 8 months ago, as a web developer. At that time, I was searching for an opportunity that would allow me to grow professionally while also giving me the freedom to explore new skills and take on real challenges. And that's exactly what I found here. From day one, I was trusted with meaningful work and made to feel like a valued part of the team. From day one, when I first joined the team, wrapped up at Pearl Lemon, I honestly did not know anything about how WordPress works. I had never used it before, and it was a bit nervous because everything was new to me. But right from the beginning, Sir Shams was incredibly helpful. He guided me step by step, teaching me how to use WordPress, how to set it up, how the themes and the plugins work, and even how troubleshoot common issues. He was always patient and supportive, no matter how many questions I had. Thanks for to his support and the learning environment here. I have come a long way from not knowing anything at all, and I have now learned how to build, manage, and even customize websites using WordPress. It is amazing to look back and see how much I have grown. I feel much more confident in my skills now, and I am proud to say that I can build my fully functional WordPress website working at Parliament. Working at Parliament feels like being the part of fast track learning journey. From the very beginning, I started learning things much better than I expected. I have developed more technical skills and personal or soft skills. For example, I have learned how to manage my time better, organize my tasks, and work on different projects without feeling overwhelmed. On the technical side, I have learned important things like SEO, web dev, and how to work how to work on WordPress, and how to publish and manage content. These were all new to me when I started, but now they feel natural. One thing I love is that you were always encouraged to step out of your comfort zone. You have always learning something new every week. Bring a new task, fresh challenge, and each challenge you grow stronger, smart, and more confident. The next step is why do people join Parliament here? The basic reason is everything is real and practical. You are just not reading uh, about the project. You just uh, about the project, how things work. You were actually doing them. You don't just learn theory. You get apply, or you learn in real projects from the very beginning. Whether you were an intern or full-time team member, you were given real responsibilities that make a real impact. You're trusted, supported, and encouraged to grow. Another reason is the work environment. Parliament is fully remote, which means you can work uh, from anywhere. It also very flexible with your schedules as long as you meet your deadlines and communicate well. It is also very flexible with your schedule as long as you meet your deadlines and communication well. That gives you freedom and balance, which is rare in many companies. And most important, the team is global and diverse. You get to work with peoples from different background, cultures, and countries. It is such a great way to learn from others, share ideas, and feel parts of a big international family. There will always someone ready to help, teach, or collaborate with you. That supportive environment really helps you to grow both personally and professionally. If you are someone who wants to learn by doing, not just by reading from a book or watching a video, then Parliament is the perfect place for you. If you are curious, always asking question, if you were motivated, willing, and work hard and take on challenges, and if you were truly ready to grow both responsibilities and professionally, then I would 100% recommend joining Parliament. This is not just another company where you are where you do routine work. It's a place where you will actually build skills that matter. You will you will walk away them real experience that you can talk about interviews, showing portfolio, real results from the projects, your company's campaigns, you run on the websites you built. And the most important thing, real confidence in your abilities, because you have done that your work and seen the progress, whether you are just getting started in your career or you are already working and want to take your skills to the next level. Per Lemon gives you the platform and support to make it happen. My goal is to become a full stack developer. I have recently completed my learning it front end development and have now begun working as a on the backend side. With consistent effort and learning, I'm confident that I will achieve full stack proficiency in the next few months. To strengthen my backend skills, I have joined the software house where I can gain hand-on the hand experience and apply what I'm learning in real-world objects. Once I complete my backend development journey, my next objective is to start learning and apply SU in practical and professional settings. Thanks.